You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you where to find archived emails on your iPhone. Whether you archived something on purpose or by mistake, it's pretty easy to get those emails back when you know where to look. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Mail app on your iPhone. If you're already inside an inbox, tap Mailboxes at the top left corner to go back to the main view. If you're using a Gmail account, scroll down and tap All Mail. This will show you every message, including those you've archived, even if they aren't sitting in your inbox anymore. If you're using iCloud or another email service, look for a mailbox specifically labeled Archive under your account. Archived emails will be mixed in with regular messages, but won't have the inbox label attached to them. To find a specific archived email quickly, just use the search bar at the top and type in keywords, a subject line, or the sender's name. When you find the email you're looking for, tap it to open and manage it. If you want to move it back to the inbox, swipe left on the email, tap More, and then select Move Message, choosing Inbox as the destination. It's a simple process once you know where everything is. Thanks for watching. If this helped you find your archived emails, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more clear and simple iPhone tips. See you later.